In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube on both mobile and PC. This works for both iOS and Android devices, so you can follow along on either, and it's pretty easy to do once you know how, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off by showing you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC afterwards. So to start, just open up your YouTube app on your phone and be logged in, of course. When you get to your home page, you just need to tap on the profile picture at the top right of the screen, go down to settings, just one above help and feedback, and when you tap on it, you'll be taken here. Then you need to tap on autoplay from this list, which should be just down one underneath general. Now once you get here, you can turn this off by just tapping the toggle next to it, and I already have this off, but if it's blue like this, it means it's turned on, so make sure it's grayed out. So that's how you do this on mobile. Let's move on to how to do this on PC. So now I'm on my PC, and you need to open your web browser and go to youtube.com and make sure you are logged in. Now when you get to your home screen like this, just go ahead and tap on any video you like. It really doesn't matter, so I'll just choose this one and pause the video. Now, the option to turn off autoplay should be just down below your video, just next to your subtitles or closed captions. So as you can see, I have mine off, but as you're watching this video, yours is probably turned on and will look like this, with the little play button, meaning it's on. So just tap on it to turn it off, and it should show a little pause button, meaning it is turned off. Now, if it's not there for you, that means whatever country you're in is running a different version of YouTube, so it's most likely going to be placed just above your up next videos on the side here. So that's how you turn off autoplay on YouTube for both mobile and PC. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.